Well, welcome back. We are in part 2 of video 3, and in the first video we just covered post. We're going to create pages in this video, in this next video here, and some of the steps, well, in fact, they're going to be very similar. In fact, a page and a post can easily be confused, but the difference between posts and pages is that a post continues to change. It's part of what they call your blog roll, and it just keeps growing and growing. A page stays in the same place, and basically a post goes here at the in the body of the page. The page is up here, so you don't want to get too carried away and start filling up a lot of pages, because what it's going to do is going to start making your menu bar look pretty cluttered and not pretty. So if we click on home here, it takes us to the home page, and it'll show you the most current posts, and that's how WordPress is configured. I'm going to cover that in another video, but as we add new posts, then this is going to keep rolling. See, this is where the blog roll takes place. The pages stay static, and you see the sample page here. You can read it, pause this and read it if you want, or look it on your website. It's in material, because we're going to change it right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a new page, and this page is going to be about test. The reason I put test is so that you remember to delete these on on your own time. And because if I just leave it on about, and you create your biography and put it up there, or your company's mission or whatever, and you get confused with this about, that's why I put test, so that you don't accidentally delete something that you have to recreate. Well, making a page looks identical, with the exception of a few things, as making a post. I have the same options to edit my page. I can type content here and edit the way it looks by clicking on the text manipulation options on the top. If I don't like this, I can strike through it. Okay, so we can do this. Let's go to visual. Okay, I can let's undo that. Let's see here, HTML, and whatever. Let's go to HTML. Anyways, I can also add media here, just like I did in my posts. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload media the same way we did before, and then I'll walk you through it again. You click on the little camera icon there, opens up this box, and right under, you can drop files there, but I'm going to do select files because it doesn't always work for some reason. And I'm going to go ahead and add another picture, and I'm going to click on insert into post. Okay, so going in visual, I am going to I'm glad I got rid of those strike-throughs. Add an audio file just like I did in my post. Now on your pages, you can decorate how you want your page, and I'm just showing you what you can do, not what you have to do. You don't have to put images, you don't have to put audio. That's what I leave the post for. Okay, but that's just me. And but you might add certain videos you want people to see constantly that are not going to change, and images. So this is why WordPress made this program the way they made it, so that you can do as you please. And I'm just showing you that you have the ability to make these additions and these manipulations to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and add another media file here, an audio file, and I'm going to click on insert into post. Okay, as you notice here on the right sides, on the right menu, it's not like a post where you have to select categories, although you can put it under a different page. In this case, I'm not going to put it under a different page. I'm going to keep it on the same page. The template, I haven't messed around with those yet, but you can click on it, and I actually did a squeeze page once, but I'm going to insert one from the outside. And but again, I haven't gotten too deep into this, and as I get into it deeper, then I'll I may make videos on it or not. But anyways, we click on publish, and now that we've done that, we go back to our website, and you look at the two pages here. Well, you're going to see an extra one if we did this right, and it's called About Test, and there it is, and everything should be working. So now that we've covered the creation of pages and posts, I believe that you should be a little more comfortable in knowing how it works in the background. Now note that if you bought an affiliate marketing package that contains scripts, it's going to do this stuff for you automatically, especially if they have scraping techniques, article rewriting, or scripts of that nature. That stuff's going to do it for you, and in most cases like that, you're not going to have to do what we did today. But the problem is that when something goes wrong and you don't understand that there's a back office to WordPress, that's where a lot of confusion can start. And that's one reason why a lot of people end up going back to these companies and getting their their $40 back, and not pursuing their online business dreams. And I don't want you to give up your online business dream because you didn't understand how it works. When you start understanding how things work in the background, it gives you tools. It eliminates excuses, and it prepares you to ask stronger questions. You can go to Google. I don't know what that is. I don't know what kind of helicopter it is, but it's very loud. Sorry about that. I don't know why they chose this time of the day to do this. We got more important things like configuring WordPress. Okay, so if you, for example, I had an issue today where I was removing and installing a WordPress installation, and it kept giving me errors. Well, I don't know everything about WordPress, but I do know it enough to where I can, troubleshoot a problem. And in this case, I was encountered with not being able to install a directory to a domain, and I looked for the area that was most applicable to me. I clicked on it, and this guy gave me the solution that I was looking for. so I knew what to do. Anyways, that has nothing to do with creating posts or pages, but I just want to give you, a little bit of you know what, I'm just going to close the video right here and let you get back to your project. You have a great day, and thanks for watching.